Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this List and Roll shoe organizer. Very sturdy. I'm going to be just doing a quick assembly video here too as well. So right in here, I have magnetic doors on this. This is really cool. If you have a bunch of shoes or just other items that you want to store nicely, this is a nice way to do it. So right up front, we have this clear plastic doors. These are on magnets too, so they're gonna open and close nicely. Gonna keep your things free of dust. So here's one layer here. Get that off of there. Okay, I'm just gonna set this aside on my bed here. Here is another one. So nice. It's super easy to see through these doors too. All right, there's another one. And here's another. We got some little clips here. Oh, come on. There we are. That. Of course, the tape got stuck on there. Okay, and there's that one coming off. All right, there's that. So we have our little instructions here on top. So we can just pretty much just unfold this out like an accordion here, just like that. And then it has these bottom drawers here. Let's try to get a view for you guys there. Okay, so these bottom ones, we just push those down like that. Should snap into place. There, snap, and snap, and snap. Okay. And then you press on the middle also, ensuring that those are all good. Okay. I believe the doors just go on like this. It's so simple when you do it the right way. Okay, just kind of push those on there. And then hearing the snap, 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 and what are we going on here? Are we lined up correctly on there? Okay, what's going on? Oh, didn't know snap, but it's on there. Okay, snap. Snap. And give me a little snap there, buddy. There we go. All right, close that one up. I'm sure there's little tips and tricks on how to do this. So once you're probably like a black belt in putting these things on here. Snaps on. Okay. Okay, maybe that's it. Just put your thumb on each side. That would seem to be pretty simple. And there we go. We can see here that I got a bunch of different shoes in there. So whether you want to put them in here like lengthwise, these are 10.5, and I can fit them in there this way. If you want more shoe storage, and that just closes. I like how the front is open, so you can just see that. Also, if you want to display like your shoes in a nice little case here. Hey, I got my Nike shoes are there, whatever. They fit nicely there too. So whether you want to put them frontwards, you say I have my boots down here on the bottom, and these are facing. You can face them this way, just kind of face them that way so we can see them a little better if I want to grab my boots or whatever. So that's cool. You can put them 2x2 in there. So these shoes are a little bit wider for me to put them in here. They have some pretty thick soles on the bottom. So if I could put 4 pairs or 2 pairs in each little thing here, but I would just have to turn it like this. So I'll show you that real quick here. So I can have it like this, those 2 there. And then I can have another one here. But this other one, I'll just have to like turn it like that or whatever to fit it in there. So these are like high tops too. So I thought I had them in there before. How did I do that? Oh, kind of like this. There we go. So they will fit in there. It's just the wider they are, like if you have some pretty wide shoes, like these ones are there, and 10.5s. I think maybe they'd probably fit 11s in here lengthwise, but for other, we can just go like that. So you could even put like little lights in here if you wanted. I like that the front is little magnets on there, so they just keep closed there as well. So you can put your things in here and keep them, still be able to see them, and they're going to be like dust free. So these get some higher ones too. It's fairly sturdy too. I mean, it's pretty solid, so that's cool. I like how it's collapsible and easy to set up. Once I got the hang of it, just snap them with the little buttons on there, pretty much hook them into place, make sure all your other ones are kind of snapped into place. But very elegant, a great way to keep your shoes like organized. You can see here we have a smaller like women's shoes, and these ones here, and I might be able to put like, let's see, I got one here, one here. Still quite a bit of room in there. I could probably, you know what? Let's see if I can get another pair. I could get another pair in there, just like one on top of the other like that. So there's another way of storing it, but plenty of room. Like if you have smaller feet, you're going to obviously have a little bit more room for that. You could put like other things in here if you had like it's a nice little display case. So whether you wanted to just have your shoes in there, or you maybe like doing like little Lego sets, you can have those in there too, or just a bunch of different things. A nice little kind of like storage space for whatever. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this unboxing interview. Hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you all next time.